Hey guys, welcome back for some extreme closet decluttering and organization. For anyone who's been watching my channel for a while, the state of this closet probably does not shock you at all. This is pretty routine here by now. But for anyone who is new, my name is Megan and my toxic trait is completely taking over every single closet space in my house, packing it full of crap that I am apparently hoarding, and then having to declutter and reorganize it about every 6 months. So this is actually my oldest daughter's closet, and it was not functioning at all. She had been asking me for quite some time if I could declutter it for her because, well, she just wanted to use it. Imagine that. So I finally carved out the time to get that done, and I am starting by taking everything out of here. I did want to take absolutely everything out of the closet first, but just by emptying off the shelves, I was already becoming overwhelmed because there was just so much random stuff that had been shoved in here, stored away, and completely forgotten about. So it was making me feel very overwhelmed looking at it all, and I decided to stop here, just take a little breath, do some inventory, and then declutter this first, and then I will go back in for more. So I decided to start by taking a small box and filling it with a few decor pieces that I knew no longer fit our style and we would definitely not be using. Those were really easy to declutter, but it did make me feel very motivated seeing an entire box of stuff right off the bat that I knew I was willing to part with. And so then I went in and was able to kind of use that motivation to be very ruthless with how I was going to tackle the rest of this. Lucky for me, I had previously attempted to organize this space, so a lot of what was in there was already in individual containers, and that made it really easy for me to go one organization bin at a time. There was one full of Play-Doh that had just been forgotten about, one full of art supplies that had been forgotten about, and then also random decor, odds and ends, all of those kinds of things. So I'm just going to take this one organization bin at a time, sort through everything, decide what we might want to keep and what we could definitely get rid of, make a couple of piles, and just kind of power through it. I know that this is totally off topic, but while I work on sorting through all of this stuff and decluttering, I really wanted to talk to you guys about Ozark. Don't worry, I won't be spoiling anything if you haven't had a chance to watch the most recent episodes. And if you have never heard of Ozark, it is a Netflix series starring Jason Bateman, and it is chef's kiss. So good, the definition of binge-worthy. If you haven't seen it already, I highly recommend. All of the seasons are now available and the series finale just recently was released, so the entire series is there for you to binge if you are looking for a new show. Like I said, I highly recommend. But if you have had a chance to watch the most recent episodes and the series finale, please leave me a comment down below. I am dying to talk about it. My husband and I finished all of the most recent episodes in 2 days, literally couldn't stop watching it, and we had very different reactions to the finale. He was sad and very dissatisfied by it, and I thought it was so good. So I need somebody to talk to about it. Definitely leave me a comment. Once I had finished decluttering, I was left with 2 piles. This one here is all of the things that were just out of place and needed to be put back where they belong. And then this mountain of things that I will be donating. And you guys already know I love to donate to our local women and children's shelter. And then anything that they don't accept, I will take over to Goodwill. But before I can do that, I needed to go through the second half of the closet. So this is where some of Kinsley's toys were stored away, and then also all of her hanging clothes. And I am going to start by sorting through all of those hanging clothes, making sure that they are her current size, season, and style. And if I'm being honest, we ended up decluttering all but a few things, and I think I ended up putting those things in her dresser instead of hanging them back up, just to give her more of the space that she was wanting in here. But this girl has been growing like a weed, so all of her rompers, dresses, everything from last summer no longer fits her, and I did have to go ahead and declutter all of that. Having this closet cleared out was perfect because we were actually able to fit Kinsley's new dresser in here, and it just worked out really well. So I'm going to work on transferring some of her clothes over and then fill the rest of the closet. So this is the pile of everything that I decided to keep, or that Kinsley said that she wanted to keep. Some of this will need to go back into her closet, some toys that she will need to store in there, but most of it is just things that are out of place and need to be put back where they belong. So I'm going to start sorting through the things that will need to go back into her closet, and I had a few organization bins that were now empty, so I am going to try to reuse those since we already had them here. And once I figure out a system that I think will work, I'll move on to putting everything else back where it belongs in the random places around the house. So we've got some Play-Doh that needs to go in our Play-Doh bin, some books that belong in Sawyer's room, and I'm just going to get everything put back where it actually belongs so that it can be used and not just stored and forgotten at the top of a closet. Once the closet was reorganized, it was time to tackle this mountain of donations. I was so proud of myself for everything that I was able to part with. There's honestly a lot of brand new items, and at first I was a little bit embarrassed about that, but then I just decided there's no point in being embarrassed. I can't go back in time and change it, and this is going to make someone's day when it is donated to them at the women's shelter or when they find it at Goodwill. It's just going to be totally worth it and put a smile on their face. So that is good enough for me, but I'm going to work on packing everything up and condensing it as best as I can, putting all of those loose clothing items and blankets into really large trash bags, and then getting everything else sorted into these containers so that I could pack it all into the trunk of my car and immediately take it for donation. When I don't take it immediately, I find that it sits around the house and then ends up back in the closets or whatever space that I just decluttered just to get it out of the floor space, and I never actually donate it. So having it all condensed like this and packed up really neatly made it super easy for me to just take it all right out to the car, get it packed into the trunk, and then Derek took it off for donation for me, and we got it out of the house right away, which is always such a great feeling. But anyway, now we are completely done with this closet decluttering and organizing. So I just wanted to show you these before shots one more time just to remind you of the complete disaster that we started with before I share the final reveal and those satisfying before and after shots. This is how Kinsley's closet turned out when I was finished decluttering and organizing, and you guys, it looks so good. And surprisingly, it has mostly stayed this way. I say mostly because Kinsley actually wanted me to declutter in here so that I could give her more space to display some of her Harry Potter collectibles and Lego sets. She has recently gotten into building Lego sets, and specifically Harry Potter ones, and has already filled that entire top empty shelf, as well as created a little display of collectible pieces on top of her dresser. It is seriously the sweetest thing. But other than that, it has stayed very neat and tidy, and I think that we have finally gotten this straight, at least for the time being. But anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and choosing to spend your time with me today. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next one.